for Francine McCoy.
Can you just speak up because how windy it is?
Yeah. This is the damaged shingle right here. You can see we got damage over here. It's kind of going up the roof. But this is the damaged shingle that I'm going to do the repair with. These are already somewhat pretty loose. I got to remove the nails from here and up here. To get this shingle. There's a little bit of mat transfer in there. And I think I just saw it somewhere else. I'll get back to it if I see it. So this is the shingle. January 29, 2024. Ambient temperatures 44 degrees. Fairly sunny. It's windy out. Here. To gauge the shingle 3-tab. It's coming in well past the 25-year-old threshold. Whatever tool this is, it's called a roof snake. It's not what we use typically. Pulling up the nails. Ripped right through. So I'm gonna get that out. It goes through the shingle like that. It's hard to get. That's the shingle. Thank you. Measures at 35 7/8. 12-inch exposure. 12 1/4 inch exposure, or 12 1/4 inches. That's what we found at, what, Home Depot?
Yes, Home Depot.
35 7/8. And then this has a 12-inch exposure. I don't know why I keep saying that. So, slide back
bit.
Here. Make sure that the nail holes aren't just too big now that I'd have, pulled the nail through.
Even the holes that you successfully removed the nail, looks like the hole is bigger than the nail.
Definitely way too big.
Oh, you want to do that again?
Yeah. Putting it back in the same hole, it's actually going to be a disservice. They're going to have an issue down the road. Okay. Yeah, we need that.
I found the video beforehand.
All right, so just Tamco refrigerator.
No longer in business, right?
I think they're called glass seal. They were called glass seal shingles. One, two, one more. Okay, so remember these were the ones that were damaged, right? Pre-existingly. Replacing this shingle, we got more granular loss to these other shingles, and then we had the nails. The nail holes were just too big and pulled through the shingle on several of these. Then we had mat transfer. So to replace the one, we're damaging 2, 3, 4, 5 shingles. Pretty brittle. And we are staying above 40 degrees.